When emotions run high, it's time to take a step back. Taking time off last week, I spent some time at my vegetable garden. It has been weeks since I last went. I was a bit worried given how cold it has been recently. But to my surprise, apart from just having a little bad hair day, veggies were growing strong. Lettuces are casually standing in position to meet and greet. Radishes are popping their heads out to say hi. Baby broccolis were still a little bit shy, but the garden is still full of life. It also reminded me of the reason I started this journey, because creating food is such a joy. How wonderful when the like-minded are connected through food. Somehow, I got sidetracked along the way. I forced myself to think of just numbers. I allowed myself to absorb critiques that I could simply ignore. So I do bother a hell lot. Soulistic is created based on a true story of how food affects one's mind. And as I learned how to grow my own veggies and ferment my kimchi, my veggies told me it matters when I care. It adds flavors to taste and it nourishes our soul.